For installation on a side pin arm, the connector you will be using has been pre-installed. However, you may need to turn the connector. Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. There are two holes on the side of the connector, one for a small 3/16 pin arm and one for a large 1/4 pin arm. If the pin on your wiper arm fits the size hole that is open, proceed with the installation. If the size hole you need is not clear on both sides, follow these steps to turn the connector the opposite direction. Rotate the connector 180 degrees. Push down on the connector until it releases from the rivet pin and slide it out. Position the connector the opposite direction. Snap the connector onto the wiper blade by pressing down until you hear a click sound. Once your connector is in position with the correct hole open, follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Rotate the connector into a vertical position until the round end is facing down. Insert the pin into the larger hole and press down on the connector, locking the pin in place. You will hear a click sound. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield and remove the towel. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles after installing your blades to ensure they are working properly. Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. To remove the blade, pull up on the flat end of the connector, releasing the lock. Then pull the blade completely away from the pin.